Hey bro, ha ha, yeah. Ha! Got my brothers in the back, got my brothers in the front. We're cruising down the freeway in the hot, hot sun. We're pulling to the KFC, going to get a feed. Pile out of the Holden cause we're feeling the need. 5 minutes later, big and full up to my eyes, I go out to the parking lot and some bugger stole my car. Stole my car, stole my car. Now bro, I was real pissed off, no one knew just how I feel. So we went looking for the wanker who had stolen my cool wheels. We went into the cop shop, talked to the police, said, "Oh, Mr. Copper bro, some bastard stole my car. Stole my car, stole my car. Oh, Mr. Policeman, we were in KFC, man. And the next time I looked around, next time I look around, the next time I looked around, someone had thieved off with it." Jumped into the cop car, went for a cruise around. I'll keep your fellas' eyes open for an HQ Holden coloured brown. And then just then we saw it, it was parked outside the pub. Said, "Oh, Mr. Copper, there it is bro, that's the one." So we went into the pub, we made some inquiries. We saw a fella at the bar with my fucking car keys. I said to the copper fella, "There he is," and I smacked him in the head. And I said, "Read him his rights bro, cause he stole my car. Stole my car, stole my car. Oh, ballhead, you shouldn't have done it, cause now you are going to jail. Yes, now you are going to jail. And it serves your dumbass right, bro. Yes, it serves your dumbass right."